Now, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe so that you get notified every time I post a video. Now, sijui nini usumbua watu wengine because it has been barely 2 weeks after this girl was invited by Kyalo herself on Weekend with Betty. Yeah, I don't know, some people are so ungrateful and he had something negative to say about the show. Anyways, I'm gonna say no more. Watch, this is what he had to say concerning Weekend with Betty.
Yo guys, today I am addressing you very bitter and annoyed. The most boring episode I've watched for Up Close with Betty Kyalo is the one amefanya na Manu Chandaria. That is the most boring episode I've watched, and I will help you, Betty Kyalo, to rate your shows. The most inspiring episode I've watched is the one you did with the one RINGTONE Apoko, the chairman of gospel industry, and number 2 followed by Jalango, followed by Chipukizi pale, followed by the rest. Ya calligraphy kwa hapo chini inafuata ya Manu Chandaria. Those are the most, actually ya Chandaria, the most boring nimewatch. Betty Kyalo, what do you expect us to learn from Manu Chandaria? Number 1, he is old. Wale watu wanaona kipindi yako Betty Kyalo ni watu wasee kama sisi. We want inspiration. Manu Chandaria cannot inspire us. Manu Chandaria hajatembea bila viatu. Manu Chandaria hajalala njaa. Manu Chandaria yeye hajapitia shida tumepitia. Betty sisi tupo na wazazi. Betty sisi tumepitia shida nyingi. Manu Chandaria anatu-inspire aje Betty Kyalo? Betty Kyalo, wewe unataka kutuambia nini? Manu Chandaria anatu-inspire aje? Wewe niambie. Anatu-inspire namna gani? That is the most boring program nimeona. Nimekasirika tu sana Betty Kyalo. Betty Kyalo, wewe unatupeleka aje? Hiyo kipindi si yako, ni ya mafans. Next time don't ever bring somebody like that Manu Chandaria. Manu Chandaria eti anatuambia sijui eti mimi nakunywa tu squash. Squash kitu gani? Mtu unakula vizuri breakfast, unaenda unapiga kazi. Eti sijui nini. Wewe usituletee watu wazee kwa kipindi. Na watu inspire bwana. Our role models are number 1, Baba Raila amepitia shida. Number 2, Unye amepitia akafika hapo. Number 3, Hasra number 1 wa kuuza kuku. Msiturudishe na hawa watu sijui tuletea kina nani. For us, we don't want those people.
Yeah, that's crazy, right? Anyways, I'm not too judgmental, I guess so. What do you think? Drop your comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be back with more news.